You are invited to paper modeling of development of hotel business potential and economic growth in Ukraine. In modern economic conditions, the problems of formation and effective use of the potential opportunities of the hotel business occupy a special place, and the management of the potential of the hotel business and the justification of measures for its development to increase efficiency and competitiveness are of interest to both to scientists and practitioners. It is important to identify the elements of the potential of the hotel business that affect the economic development of the country and to establish quantitative and qualitative relations between individual components of the business development potential. The paper aims to develop a factor econometric model influencing hotel business potential on economic growth in Ukraine and its practical approbation, namely to determine the components that have the maximum impact on the country's GDP. In the process of research, it was established that the main indicators that characterize the potential of the hotel business and have an impact on the economic development of Ukraine are income from hotels services provided and similar accommodation, operating and other costs of hotels and similar accommodation, the living area of all hotels rooms and similar accommodation, the fixed assets degree of depreciation. To create an econometric model, an analysis of statistical data characterizing the hotel business in Ukraine for the period from 2012 to 2021 years is carried out. It is necessary to build a forecast function for all determined model factors to implement the GDP forecast due to the developed econometric model. The factors that shape the potential of the hotel business were selected. As a result of the analysis, and econometric dependence is obtained. The forecast indicators characterizing the level of income from services provided in hotels and similar accommodations for a short period of time were made using the Box-Jenkins method. The Box-Jenkins process used makes it possible to build a fairly accurate and adequate short-term forecasting model. But due to the non-stationary to building a more accurate long-term forecast, this method requires improvement and study of the time series. The resulting multiple regression data for the income indicator from hotel services provided and similar accommodation is shown in Figure 3. The parameters estimating the result of the econometrics model for the indicator income from hotel services provided and similar accommodation are presented in Figure 5. According to the obtained parameters, the developed multi-factor model will look as follows. The resulting multiple regression data for the GDP amount indicator are shown in the Figure 3. The estimating parameters results of the econometric model in the indicator GDP amount are presented in Figure 8. According to the obtained parameters, the development multi-factor model will look like this. The econometric model is used to forecast the impact of operating and other costs and living space of all hotels rooms and similar accommodation impact on the income from services provided in hotels and similar accommodations. The econometric model is used to forecast the impact of operating and other costs of hotels and similar accommodations on the level of GDP. The development and implementation of innovations and the latest technological advances play an important role in the competitive market of the hotel sector, ensuring the compliance of hotel companies with European standards. The newest components size of the hotel logistics confirms the importance and complexity of the business entities. Ukraine needs to create hotel-type enterprises that can compete with high economic performance branded hotels and ensure logistics improvement. The developed model allowed us to identify the components of the hotel business potential that can contribute to the increase of GDP, predict the growth of Ukraine. The obtained results show that the level of Ukraine's GDP is expected to decrease gradually in the future. The calculations indicate that stimulating the growth of the hotel business will have a positive impact on the growth of Ukraine's GDP. Therefore, the implication of machine learning methods can facilitate well-informed decisions regarding the future activities of the hotel business.